In primetime news this evening, IMF projects lower economic growth for Jamaica this year. Still no pay. Some teachers yet to receive their March salaries. And pumping stations in one rural parish in ruins.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thank you so much, Janella. I'll have some more from the International Monetary Fund, IMF's press briefing this morning. They zoned in on monetary policy tightening and what that has been doing to the global economy. So I'll give the details later.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Spencer Darlington. He'll give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, Jamaica's team is back home after another table-topping performance at the Carifta Track and Field Championship. But one member of the coaching staff had a lot to say about the level of officiating in the Bahamas. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
What's sports without controversy? And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, we have weaker winds expected across the area this week. So we're expecting an increase in showers mainly after Tuesday. Sorry, that's after Thursday. Going into the weekend, higher chance of showers across most of the island.
Thank you so much, Romain. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary later in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on Jamaica's performance at the recently concluded Carifta Games in the Bahamas?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.